Are you looking for healthy ways to power your day and your life? Welcome to 5 Minutes to Feed Your Potential, our series of short podcasts designed for busy people just like you who are looking for easy, delicious, and practical ways to be healthy and happy. Listen along as our chefs, dietitians, and other experts offer insights, ideas, and inspiration. Whenever friends and family get together, one thing's for certain: there will be food. And if you're the person hosting, it can be a little overwhelming. Cooking for lots of people isn't something most of us do every day. Luckily, Chef Billy Edmondson is an expert at it. He does it all the time. So, whether you're hosting a birthday party, a backyard get-together, or a holiday feast, Chef Billy is here to offer some pro tips on cooking for a crowd.
Hello there. I'm so happy to be here talking with you. As a chef, I prepare food for parties and events all the time. Sometimes for a few dozen people, sometimes for a lot more. So, when you're cooking for a crowd, the first thing to think about is your plan. Okay, I know, planning doesn't sound very exciting. But I can tell you, planning and preparation are the most important secrets to success. Start by thinking about your guests, the food they prefer. Do they have any favorites? Do they have any foods they don't eat? Any food allergies? If you don't know, just ask. Also, think about the season. Serving in-season produce helps make your food fresh and colorful, and also delicious and nutritious. Another secret: think about the dishes that can be prepared in advance. For example, that sweet potato casserole can totally be made and refrigerated. Food like this reheats quickly and easily. You can pre-prepare all your vegetables the day before and have them ready to just pop in the oven or on the stove. Even the main dish can be made in advance. This kind of planning and prep work will save you so much time and stress. My rule of thumb: try to create a menu where at least half of what you're serving can be prepared days in advance. All right, now let's focus on keeping everyone happy. When you have a lot of people, one of the biggest things to think about is having the right balance of food. If I'm serving red meat, I try to have chicken or fish as an option, or a few vegetarian dishes for those who prefer. I always try to do this for the main dishes and also for my side dishes. It's all about the balance. Okay, once you have your menu planned out, it's time to shop. It's so important to get started with a detailed shopping list. Cooking for a crowd is just totally different than everyday cooking. There's so many more things to remember. You can't just wing it. I tell everybody to start by making a list of all the ingredients you'll need. It helps to break it out for each dish. After you have your list ready, the next step can be tricky. It's time to figure out how much to buy. Buy too much and you end up wasting money and maybe food. Buy too little and your food may run out before your favorite cousin gets a chance to eat. This means it's time to do some math. But don't worry, it's easy. Serving sizes are there as a guide. Think of them as a place to start. But I'll say, err on the side of having a little too much food. People tend to eat a little more at special events. For instance, bump up the recommended portion by about 30%. Also, add more side dishes. They're an easy way to make sure you have enough food for everyone. Then, calculate how much you'll need. You want something easier? All the recipes on our website at fyp365.com have an automatic ingredient calculator. We call it the Prep Wizard. You just pop in the number of people you'll be serving, and it tells you how much of each ingredient you'll need to buy. Another list that can be helpful is a timeline. Figure out what could be done each day before the get-together. Assign tasks to the different days of the week. This will help you stay organized, and spreading out the work will make it so much easier. One last note: get out of your comfort zone. Try something new. It's a chance to wow your guests. It's true. Cooking for a crowd requires careful planning, some time management, the right kitchen tools, and a dash of creativity. But you could do this. Have some fun, and remember, having your family and friends together is well worth it.
Thanks for listening. Whenever you're looking for inspiration for healthy living, our chefs, dietitians, and other experts have lots of ideas to feed your potential. Visit our website at fyp365.com to see all our recipes, blogs, podcasts, and more.